traveling. We're going to Australia tomorrow. So I have to pack my backpack. We're traveling there for a year, so I'm gonna show you what I packed. Alright, hope you enjoy. This is all the stuff I'm bringing on the carry-on, a book, some makeup, etc. Alright, so this is all the electronic equipment we're bringing. An extension cord, the chargers obviously, a microphone, a tripod, the GoPro chest mount, some other mounts, and portable charger. And of course the laptop. These are all the essential items we're bringing. So vitamins, the laundry ball, basic first aid kit, gum, and bug spray and lotion, and sunscreen. So next up is all the hair care products I'm bringing. So straightener, wand, hairbrush, makeup, perfume, all of my hair accessories, I guess. Hairspray, and then we have makeup remover, deodorant, hair oil, a dry shampoo, toiletries, a water bottle, and then contacts for the year, as well as prescriptions for the year. And now we'll go through all of the clothes I'm bringing. So basically everything is black, so no worries about matching. So I have a jacket, a sweater, and then a blazer type sweater. 2 dresses, 3 skirts, 5 pairs of shorts, some workout ones, and then some fancier or just chill shorts. 2 long sleeve fancy tops, 4 pairs of shoes, 4 pairs of pants, 5 bras, 2 regular and 3 sports bras, a bunch of underwear and socks, 2 pairs of swimsuits, 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and then 4 workout t-shirts, 5 tank tops, regular tank tops, and then 6 fancy tank tops, and 6 t-shirts. And that's everything. So let's see if I can cram it all into one backpack. Yay! I did it! It's so heavy.
Yeah, it looks really heavy. The size of you.
I got it all in.
Good job.
Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Hope this helps you. Bye!